You may not need to purchase a separate outside stand/holder for this quite heavy unit. There are some triangular pieces which fit outside and help support it. The only thing this model lacks is programming capability. E.g., start at 4 p.m. automatically. However, it does appear well made, and shoots out cool air. It has a sleeve that you install first. Two guys were able to help me lift it into the pre-installed sleeve. I found no problem with remote sensing. The remote displays the temp at the remote, and you can set the AC to use this temp, rather than the temp at the AC unit. To test the temp display, I used a separate digital temperature gauge, and the temp on the remote agreed with the temp on the digital temperature gauge. Shipping was fine, took just a couple days to ship from the east to west coast. Amazon shipping service texted me that the shipment was delayed due to a train derailment somewhere. But there was no damage to the unit, and it arrived in just a couple days. Works great. Product works great but packaging is horrible. I guarantee 75% of these shipped come damaged because of how it packaged. Because it weighs 148 pounds, I had to use self-taping screws to put the outer frame back together and bend the top rail back. Glad it at least works though. Awesome super fast shipping. Item as described. Good. Awesome AC. Works great. Click link in description for more reviews.